Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
I'm the one that have song go. I'm the one that sing song go. I'm the one that God give the plans. God give me the gift. See now they rip me. Someone I've been getting. Someone I've becoming the owner of my song now. You can see. You know the battle that I face on this song. DTL also come to gain the song from me. See now. See, Kata have used all brain, the industry brain, to collect my song now. You can see, Kata is going show with the song only. Kata is not an artist, so he's a comedian. He's a comedian. He don't want everybody to help me. People will be helping me. Kata will be saying that he's the one that is helping me. And I don't want to cast everything. See now. They are going to show on behalf of me. When my boss did something bad to me, it's not good though. My boss did something bad to me, and you guys too want to do same thing to me again in another way. It's not good though. Remember that everybody have his son and his daughter. Everybody have his son and his daughter, and you guys have family. And that is the way myself. I came from somewhere. So if oh my God, if God give me something to make it in my life, and you guys want to collect it from me, God will never stop there. Just believe in that. So this is why you want me to drop album for you. This is the reason why you want me to drop album. Thank God that I said I will go and be thinking of it. So